Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to add dark and light themes to a React application. Theme toggling is a popular feature, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to switch between themes with ease. So let's get it started. First, let's make sure we have a React project set up. If you already have one, feel free to skip to the next section. Otherwise, let's quickly create a new React project. Just type these commands on your terminal. Once you're inside the project folder, open it in your code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but feel free to use any editor you're comfortable with. To handle theme switching globally, we'll use React's Context API. This allows us to manage the theme state and apply it across all components in the app. Inside the source folder, create a new folder called context and a file named themecontext.js within it, and add these codes to the themecontext.js file. isDarkTheme holds the theme state. ToggleTheme switches between dark and light themes. ThemeProvider is the wrapper component that provides theme values to all children components. Now we have a context that stores our theme and a function to toggle between light and dark modes. Next, let's wrap our app with this context provider. Open index.js and wrap app component in ThemeProvider. This ensures that our theme state and toggle function are accessible throughout the app. Now, let's create a simple button to toggle themes. Okay, let's create a toggle button that will switch between dark and light themes when clicked inside app.js at the following code. We use theme to access isDarkTheme and ToggleTheme from theme context. The div's background color and color style change based on the theme. The button text also updates dynamically to indicate the current theme. Now, our toggle button will let user switch between light and dark themes, and the text on the button will reflect the current theme. To make this look even better, let's add some CSS style specifically for each theme. Add these codes to the app.css and just update the app.js component. With this setup, switching themes will change the body's CSS class, which automatically applies the correct theme to the entire page. And that's it. You have successfully created a light and dark theme toggle in your React app. We used React's Context API to manage global state and a simple button to switch themes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more React tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Bye.